everyone. In last second video, we have learned how to prepare two-way frequency tables, and in these tables we learn how to match the both figures f dx dy. In video number 3, we have to apply formula and we have to find out the exact value of coefficient of correlation. So firstly write here then write here formula R means coefficient of correlation, sigma f dx dy, sigma f dx dy into n minus sigma f dx I bracket, in other bracket sigma f dy I, all up upon right here under square root sigma f dx I square into n minus sigma f dx I bracket square. In other under square root, the same value means same formula we have to apply for the y series, sigma f dy I square into n minus sigma f dy I bracket square. Okay, now we have to fill the value in this formula. Now look here friends, now we have to find out the value, we have to fill here value of sigma f dx dy. So in previous video we have to prepare such types of whole table, and we have to find here the value of sigma f dx dy, sigma f dx dy, which is the total is match. So it means our whole calculation is correct. So fill here 93 into n. N means the total number of atoms. So in this table we can see here horizontal and vertical total is 60. It means this is the n. So fill here 60 minus sigma f dx I. In this table we can see here sigma f dx I 57. Sigma f dxi, the value is sigma f dxi is 57. So write here 57 in this bracket. In other bracket we have to write sigma, the value of sigma f dy I. So see here we have find out the sigma f dy I equal to 51. So write here 51. Okay, all up under in first under square root we have to fill the value sigma f dxi square. So look here, sigma f dxi square is 131. So write here 131 into n means 60 minus sigma FDXI bracket square, FDXI. So we have right here sigma FDXI 57 its square. In other under root we have to fill value of sigma FDYI square. So look here, sigma FDYI square is 170. 170 into 60 minus sigma FDYI square bracket square. So sigma FDYI value is 51. So right here bracket square. Okay, now each one we have to solve here again. 93 into 60. 5,580 minus. Now we have to multiply the both bracket, 57 into 51. 2,907. (131 into 60), the square of 57. 3,249. 3,249. Now 170 into 60. 7,020. 7,020 minus square of 51. 2,601. Right here 2,601. Okay, R equal to, now 5,580 minus 2,907. 2,673. 2,673. The under square root of 4,611 is 67.90 into the under square root of 4,490 is 66.48. Now R equal to, right here the 67.90 into 66.48 equal to 4,514.28. R equal to 0.59. Now it's clear that there is a moderate degree of positive correlation between marks in statistics and marks in accounting. So right here, so we have right here conclusion, there is a moderate degree positive of correlation between marks in statistics and marks in account. So we have find here the coefficient of correlation is R equal to 0.59.